guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Brittany here, and I am doing a VR today because our girl Wanda from Wandyssweets is having a 50th birthday challenge. And what she's asking for with the challenge is just a card and a sequin mix. And if you want to go ahead and get extra points, then you can do a set of bows and rosettes to send to her as well. And so I will have that information to the challenge giveaway down below in the description box. I do believe it goes through till mid or end of August. And so first I want to show that I made this super cute, I'm so in love with this super cute caddy. Now I can't remember the person who originally did the tutorial, but I learned about it through Tamika, who is Scrap the World, and she did a project share. She linked the video, so I will go back and get that video and link it down below as well. So sorry to the person who created this that I can't remember your name off the top of my head, but kudos to you. I absolutely love how this turned out. Look at it. Oh my god, it's just so cute. I love how it turned out, and I will be adding more goodies to it, but I wanted to go ahead and make a video, and don't want to spoil all the surprise of everything. So I am including some bows. So I did my little chunky yarn bows. Some of them I left plain for her to do whatever she would like. This one I did add a tassel onto, and then I did some I did the sequin mix that she has requested as well. So there is my sequin mix. And then also I did some rosettes. I didn't decorate them. The only thing I did was add some gold glitter glue on the edges just to make them sparkle and shine a little bit, but I didn't want to do anything to them, so she had the ability to do it herself. And as for the card, so this is how my card comes. I made a little card box excuse me, and this is, it says sunshine and smiles, and then it has a little sticker flower here, gem, and then a little flower cluster, and it opens up like that. And here is the card itself. It's so cute, and I hate making cards, oh my gosh. And so oh no, my butterfly disappeared. All right, you're supposed to go there, stay there. All right, and so it says remember this, and then we have the little swan here, and I kind of did it in a way so it was like a shadow. And then I have a bunch of flower clusters here, some leaves, and butterflies all over. And then this card is actually a 5.5 by 6, and when you open it up, ta-da! And it says happy birthday. It is a twist and pop card. Absolutely been wanting to make one of these forever. I got the tutorial from Robyn, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco, and I will leave that tutorial down below. I did tweak it a little bit because her card is 6 by 6. I made my 6 by 5.5, and yeah, it's just so stinking cute. And I just added some little butterflies there, and then I just put happy birthday because I wanted the inside to be able to lay flat, so I didn't want to do anything too much in the inside. There are things that she wants you to, there is information that she wants you to hold into your card, but I'm gonna write that separately. And so yeah, so I think it turned out super cute. Again, I don't like making cards, but you know, shh. And so I hope you guys like what I made. I hope that she will like it. I'll be sending it out to her very soon. And guys, make sure you go check out not only her channel, but also her challenge. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked what I made today. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll just hang out with you guys in the next video. Bye.